Hi everyone, my name is Brendan Guire. Today we have this brand new 13 Super Sport by Boston Whaler. As you can see, this is the beautiful Abaco Blue gel coat. It's such a nice color. It is even better on the water with our stainless steel rub rail. Just the best look that you can make for a 13 Super Sport. This 13-foot boat, one of my favorite things about this is the massive bimini that covers over half of the boat whenever you're out at the sandbar or whenever you're fishing. Just gives you a ton of shade in that Florida sun. We do have a 40 horsepower Mercury motor on the back of this, which pushes this boat around 30 miles per hour top speed with cruising speed, a little bit less than that, but is a very efficient motor, get you where you need to go in this size of boat. It is a Boston Whaler, so it is fully unsinkable. It is the unsinkable legend. They also, so you can see with this 4-step ladder, over-engineer these boats. Who sees a 4-step ladder on a 13-foot boat? You can easily get on and off when you're at the sandbar, and what makes this boat a amazing all-purpose fishing and sandbar boat. My name is Brendan Guire. Come see us at MarineMax in Clearwater. My cell phone number is 765-635-6967.